Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. Let's continue to work on that BMW and see what else we can get done today. I also thought I'd throw in a little footage of that 64 Thunderbird going away, so I hope you enjoy it. Alright, we got the new fuel pump. Let's pull the plug off. I'm going to plug this in on here if I can and make sure it works. Alright, I think it's plugged in. I'm going to turn the car on and that should cycle now. Alright, it does, so I think that's good news. We unplug this again. And now we'll get the old fuel pump out of the hole. I've got to cut this little band off here and get another hose clamp. So I'm gonna get some stuff and start working on it. You put a band on there that you have to break off to get it out. Alright, the hose is off, now we just gotta tap the ring off. Looks like they put a little dab of goop on here. Gotta peel this off. Put the bucket in here so I didn't dump fuel all over. Boy, there's hardly anything in here. We are definitely going to need to fill this before we try to start the car.
Alright, I think it's in there now. Let's try to screw the lid back on.
Alright, I don't think I'm going to change the oil. The oil actually doesn't look that bad. It's a little bit low, so I'm going to go ahead and just top it off and see what it's like that way. You know, and then if I decide that, you know, down the road it needs the oil changed, I'll take that approach to it. But for now, I think we're just going to leave it. It actually doesn't look that bad. While we're letting that sit, I'm going to check the coolant. I looked at the air filter already. That looked alright. Yeah, it's a little low on coolant. Let me get some coolant, put some in. Alright, so I poured some coolant in, and BMW's got this little floaty thing that goes in the reservoir here, and it's at the full point now. It was really probably, you know, just a few cups low. It wasn't a huge deal. You know, maybe a pint or something like that. So we're good to go there. And I'm going to check the oil and see where the level is now. Okay, we need a little more oil. Okay, so at this point I've got the oil level pretty close, and BMW says to check it when it's warm after sitting for 5 minutes, so we'll do a final oil check at that point, just to make sure we're at the exact right level. I think we'll probably end up pretty close there, so we'll do that the way they want it done. You know, those crazy Germans, they're kind of sticklers about stuff. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is rotate the tires on here. Persuasion to get it loose. Brakes look good. This car sat for, I don't know, 4 or 5 months or something like that. So there's a little rust on them, but that'll just come right off. It's just a little surface rust, but the brakes themselves look good. Got to get the persuader on the front too. Alright, that one's really stuck. We're going to shut the camera off to remove this. Just kidding. We just got to get a bigger hammer. There it goes. If all else fails, use a bigger hammer. same on the other side. I won't record it. Of course, you guys know it's the same thing. Alright guys, that'll wrap it up for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back next time as we continue working on the BMW and we'll get it all cleaned up and all buttoned up. Thanks for watching. Wrap it all up and get it clean. Got any of them French fried taters? Alright. Alright guys, thanks. I'm good.